Hey everybody, welcome to another video. So in this one, I'm currently working on a shallow relief wood carving for YouTube. It's going to be a tutorial, but I got into some spots in the wood carving that I always tend to grab a particular tool for. And so that in particular are these bent files. Some of them are straight, some of them are bent. But I find that they come in handy when I'm trying to address some tight spots that are difficult to get a clean cut with general gouges. And as a beginner, I would highly recommend them because, again, if you have a limited selection of tools, or maybe you don't have like some specialty gouges, these can really help get into those areas and clean them up. Some of the things that I've heard when I first started, like I didn't get into these right away, it was maybe a couple years in. I've had them for several years now, and I use them on every single project. But some of the things I heard was that you're not a carver if you use sandpaper or files, things like that. I don't agree with that at all. I think that you should be able to use whatever tool you want to best get the result that you're looking for. And if that's files, it's sandpaper, whatever, scrapers. So as a beginner, I would suggest these. They're very inexpensive. They're like $10 for the set on Amazon. You don't have to get these exact ones, but these are just the ones that I use, and the link for them is below in the description if you're interested. But I'll show you how I use them in some of the different areas in the wood carving where they can really help you out. I frequently use the same ones over and over again, and there's some that I never ever use. This one I use quite regularly. Just the bent, skinny profile really helps get into those tight spaces that are hard to get into with gouges. And I would say probably the grit regarding these are around, it's in the hundreds. I'd say probably maybe 120, 180, somewhere in there. As far as grit, I don't think it says on the actual website. So this is the carving that I've been working on for a YouTube tutorial, and I just kind of wanted to show you where these particular files can really come in clutch. So these two areas here in between the stem and the leaves, they're super tight, really difficult to clean out with gouges. You know, if you've got something like that, I mean, you can do your best to try to manipulate those tight areas, but it's still really difficult to get in there and have it be a clean cut. So what you can do is you can take these files and you can get in there, just because it's a hard, you know, obviously it's hard metal, so you can get in there and get in deep and clean out those tight spots like that. You know, sandpaper, you're not going to be able to really get in there with sandpaper because it's obviously paper. It's gonna bend and fold, and you don't have that hard point to use to clean in there. You can clean in these, like these are a little bit more open like this, but you can use this to get into these spots as well and clean up the fuzzies and whatnot like that. So if you guys don't have a set of these little mini bent files, I would suggest getting some. They can really help you out. Again, they're not that expensive at all, probably $10 on Amazon, and again, they can really help you out to clean up your carving if you're kind of limited on equipment or gouges. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.